flui através de mim. Eu não quero pegar pra mim, flui através de mim, cura através de mim, cura através de mim. Se o amor vem pra nos curar, que flua através de mim. Se o amor vem pra nos curar, que flua através de mim. Luz passa através de mim, luz passa através de mim. Eu não quero pegar pra mim, flui através de mim. Eu não quero pegar pra mim, flui através de mim, cura através de mim, cura através de mim. Se o amor vem pra nos curar, que flua através de mim. Se o amor vem pra nos curar, que flua através de mim.
Compose a song in India, or have you already composed a song about India or for India?
Well, this is my second time in India. So the other time I came and I used to play my songs at that time, 5 years ago, and people say I would have to translate everything to English. And then after I went back home, I composed something. It's in actually English, Portuguese, and French.
Okay.
And it's not really about India, it's about tourism. It's about these Western backpackers. And that's the only thing about India. Well, I have composed after that trip. I have other songs that came from that trip. What I can see.
Okay.
So I'll sing this one that's called Eu. This one is in Portuguese. Eu, which means me, I.
Eu não sou esse corpo não sou eu, permanece a harmonia, só a carne que doeu. Eu não sou essa mente não sou eu, no momento consciência, o pensamento dissolveu. Eu não sou esse corpo não sou eu, permanece a harmonia, só a carne que doeu. Eu não sou essa mente não sou eu, no momento consciência, pensamento vejo com disciplina ao centro. Eu não sou só o que desejo, tenho uma hierarquia aqui dentro. Com os olhos adultos vejo com disciplina ao centro. Eu não sou só o que desejo, tenho uma hierarquia aqui dentro. Eu não sou essa mente não sou eu, no momento consciência, o pensamento dissolveu, dissolveu, dissolveu.
you're singing incredibly well.
Thank you.
Okay, I think I really enjoyed that. We are doing a documentary for our school, for my students, or anyone that will use English as a second language or as a foreign language. Where are you from? With this
I'm from Brazil.
Brazil, yes, the song was
I
said.
live in Bahia. I'm from a different part of the country, but I live now in Bahia.
Okay, and what are you doing in India?
Well, I came for a course in Diksha, Oneness University. It's not far from here, and I came a few days earlier here to get used to the country before I started course.
Okay, what about your singing? Could you tell us a little bit more about your singing? Are you singing professionally or?
No, not professionally. I compose. Everything I sing is my own songs, and everything I compose is about my own spiritual path. I would say my own path in life, not only spiritual, but everything I think of, I observe, and I feel. I hardly compose something that doesn't say much to me or the others said before. I like to contribute with my music, not just to make songs. So I make it and it comes to me. I don't even say I make the songs. They come to me, and nowadays more and more it's less me and more something that I capture or I receive. You can say that. And it's something that brings me a lot of pleasure to do and to sing and to perform. And I feel that sometimes, if I have the right ambiance, I can bring through my singing some harmony to the heart, direct to the heart. So, especially because of that, it's not professional. I don't make money, and I want to keep it like this. I think money always brings some other energy
Sure.
to what we do. Nothing against money, but it's not the aim of my singing.
Okay, that's wonderful.